With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is two different type of rubber are found to have stress strain curves shown in the figure. So we have the stress here and stress for A and B rubber here. So we have A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to give the answer for it for each here. So the solution of this question is, let us solve A part. In which significant way do these curve differ from the stress strain curve of a metal wire? So according to Hooke's law, we can write here Young's modulus is equals to stress divided by strain, and the graph is this is our graph here. So this is strain here. In x-axis we have strain and in y-axis we have stress. So in the Hooke's law, the graph is a straight line for the up to some point, then after it has elastic point, and so it start moving in the curve shape, and after that it has breaking point, and then it travel to back here. So our graph is like this, firstly straight, after that, so this is our graph, firstly straight up to some point, then elastic point here, and then breaking point. So our graph is something like this. So in both of the graph we don't have the straight path, not for even a single moment. So from this we can say that they doesn't follow Hooke's law, doesn't follow. So we can write here graph A and B doesn't follow Hooke's law. So they are differ. They are differ here. Now we can solve B part here. A heavy machine is to be installed in a factory. To absorb vibration of a machine, a block rubber is placed between the machinery and the floor. Which of the two rubber would you prefer to use for this purpose, and why? So for this we have to take the heat dissipated in each of the graph. So clearly it is seen that from graph 2, maximum heat is dissipated by material. So we can write here we use rubber of type B in the factory. Now we can solve the C part here. And in the C part, which of the two rubber would you choose for a car tire? So for car tire, energy dissipated must be, energy should be minimum. So we can write here for the type B car we have the heat should be minimum for car tire. So we use rubber of type A as the heat dissipated in A is minimum than B. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.